Hello everyone, welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft Certified Educator. Today on Popular Demand, I'm going to train you on how to add voices to your presentation, especially in the slides. So I'm going to show you a demo and later on you people can try it on your own that how this feature works in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So to begin with, I'm going to show you a demo people. So let's say that this is how your PowerPoint slide it looks like. Okay, now whenever you make a PowerPoint presentation, let's say that all the slides they are ready and later on it came to your mind that you should be adding a video, a voice, especially not a video actually, but a voice to your presentation. So for that, what exactly you have to do is you need to go to this recording option first of all. Now there are two ways of doing it. Either your slides are ready, that means 1 2 3 4 5. So let's say this way. So I'm going to add another slide as well just to make you people understand. Let's say that we have in all in all like 3 slides in this presentation, and what exactly we will be doing is you have to go to the recording option, then you will be going to the audio, and later on either you can record the sound on this particular part of the presentation that you will have to do it from your Microsoft microphone itself, or else you have already pre-recorded your audio sound for each and every presentation slide, that means for every slide, and you can punch that audio on every specific presentation. So you can do it two ways. So that's what I'm saying. Once again people, either you can record your sound right away. For that you have to click on recording sound, and later on you may name this thing also, and once you have named this, for example this is for slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, you can go on recording the sound and then you can add it over here, or else you have already recorded your voice and somewhere it is lying on your PC, then you have to pick it out from your PC itself and you have to insert the audio over here. So this is one way of doing it. Or else in case if you're running a slideshow and you would like to add a again in voice over that, then this is how it normally goes. So what exactly you would be doing is you will be recording, but this specific option if I talk about, this is for recording the overall presentation. So today I'm only going to train you on adding an audio. So audio can be added onto the PowerPoint presentation slide, specifically each and every slide, and this is the option that you people have to go about, and you can attach an audio for every slide of yours. So those people who are watching my channel for the first time and who have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way, and in case of any questions or queries, in case if you have, and if you want me to be designing anything new about anything, that you can also text me on these three social medias, which is Instagram, Facebook, or Microsoft Team ID. If you want to reach me on the Instagram ID, my ID is cherub.teaching.center. On the Facebook, and you can reach me on Cherub Teaching Center, and on the Microsoft Teams you can reach me on the Cherubians, and the link of all these three social medias you will be able to find in the description of the video as well. So now what are you waiting for? Just try it on your own, upload an audio, and then later on you can share the presentation with any person, whether your colleague, whether your friends. So start working. So this was all which was planned for you today people. Have a nice day ahead.